Creating and utilising mailing lists gives you more control on the who and how of sending out your information. Let's say for this example, I wish to create a mail out group for all the consultants listed within my system. I'm going to hover over contacts and select search contacts. From here, I'm going to search by category and select the consultant's contact category and submit. From here, I can select any relevant consultants or all of them by selecting this checkbox here. I'm going to come down to the bottom, and by using this drop down, I can add them to a new mail out group. Now that I have a new mail out group, let's explore how I can use it. For this example, I already have a merge doc in mind that I want to send out. I'm going to find my merge doc and click the mail icon. On this screen, I can select the Send to Merge Mail Out group. This will provide me with a drop-down in which I can select my mail out group. I can customize my merge doc if I want, and then scroll down and select Submit and view the document. I'll be presented with a preview of what the mailing list members may see, and I can go back and edit my document further, but I'm going to continue on. On this screen, I'll be given one last chance to customize who receives my merge doc. If I have no problems, I can then hit Send Email to all selected recipients.